Your final text today is called Hard Work. Twin brothers Jack and Willie had more differences than commonalities. Willie was tall and Jack was short. Willie was always joking around while Jack was a very serious person. Perhaps their greatest difference was that Willie learned things quickly and easily in school, while Jack had to study long and hard. Willie had the time of his life during high school. He played around a lot, did very little work, and managed to get C's in most of his classes. On the other hand, Jack had a difficult time during high school. He played around very little, worked really hard, and, like Willie, managed to get C's in most of his classes. When the twins went away to college, they acted in much the same way, even though things had changed. Willie went right to his usual tricks of skating by and doing as little as possible, while Jack continued to work hard in all of his classes. Since he had worked hard his whole life, Jack noticed that the work in college was much more difficult, but he was prepared for it. Willie did not really notice that the difficulty had changed until the semester was over. Jack managed to get B's and C's in all of his courses, while Willie earned mainly D's and F's and was placed on academic probation.